Alright guys, real quick, gotta pull off this throttle body to give it to Spoon so he can work his magic.
Boom, success. Throttle body off.
Came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Back in the shop, car's up. We're gonna put in the drive shaft and start getting this car buttoned up and on the road.
Acquired.
Gonna do We're gonna do a light coating of grease. Just a tip. Heavy.
Got it. Alright, you can look at one's in. You can see on that side. There's a washer. And you dropped it, of course.
It's in my hand.
Oh, I see it. Nice. Can we get the others in with just your hands or?
Can we get the top on it?
Top one? Yeah. I'll hold the back. My arm stinks, bro. What are we doing, Kay?
We are tightening the drive shaft. Off camera, but it was such a get this thing in. Had to drop my exhaust. Tried to drop the T-bar first.
One more. That was tight.
Alright. Currently switching the 1.8 coils to the 1.6 bracket so we can surround these bad boys. I'm also going to do one at a time so I don't mix them up because they have to stay on the same side.
To make the coil packs fit.
Alright, after he does that, I'm going to take the valve cover off. I got the valve cover off, and not without injuring myself, of course, like always.
Battle scars.
This car hates me. We went to Napa earlier and got a new valve cover gasket and spark plugs. Before we put the new valve cover gasket and valve cover on though, we do need to clean up this gunk, not Jordy's fingernails.
That too. Did we reveal the new valve cover? Boom.
Shiny and purple. Crazy gems, thank you.
Kai's cleaning our
The
surfaces.
surfaces with some acetone. Using my coat pen because if I get this in my cuts, I'm going to cry. Oh, we got the valve cover off. Just gonna take out the spark plugs real quick and put the new ones in.
What do we got? What are the goods?
Alright, we got some NGK spark plugs. This is my favorite brand. I put them always in my car. Not sponsored.
I put the K in NGK. No good, Kylie.
Perfect. When flipping this one over to try and get the PC valve grommet out, we realize
This one has no baffling.
I think that's the correct term.
I think that's a term.
Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below.
So what are we doing?
But we're unscrewing everything so we can put on a new one.
Alright, so she's taking this stuff off. I'm cleaning it, scraping off all the old RTV, and then hopefully putting it back in the other one. Time to reassemble.
We are putting Honda on. Just a thin layer. Now we're gonna put the thread lock on the screws and put it back in. Time to put the gasket back on.
We're putting a little Honda bond on the corners of the half moons. Ooh.
So nice.
Look at that.
It actually makes
Thoughts?
the brake pop like a lot.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's hot.
Super hot. Tighten this bitch up. Following the pattern.
Alright guys, I'm an idiot. Thankfully it's coming out through the bottom, so we got Mr. Fix-It here.
Fix all the problems.
5 hours later.
16th turn at a time.
And she's free! Just plugging everything up. Messed up my fingers pretty good today, guys. Gotta call it a night. We'll be back tomorrow. And we're back. All right, to catch you up from last night, Jordy pulled a me and broke the bolts in front of the valve cover now. So we need to get that out, but thankfully it's not mounted to anything, so it's not really important. Jordy also wanted to show you guys his masterpiece. Look at those cuts. Looks good. He painted it too, so it's really nice. Yes.
You'll never see it, but it looks good.
We know it's done.
Yeah.
So now that we cleaned up the 1.8 throttle, it's time to clean up the intake manifold. Alright, I got it as clean as possible. All we got is hopes and dreams now, so that's what Jordy's doing. What are you doing?
I had to modify the bracket more, so I had to cut it down and then make some holes because it was hitting the firewall.
Yeah, you're telling me about it. Jordy spent like an hour and a half trying to get those coils.
Stupid coil pack bracket.
Are they mounted now?
Yeah, they look good, right?
It actually does look really good. Like a new cover and fresh coil pack.
Fresh coil pack.
Make the engine look like you guys actually cleaned it.
Yeah.
Quotations cleaned it.
Alright, what else did you clean?
Clean the throttle. I don't know how it got so dirty again. It's alright.
You gotta clean it regardless.
Yeah. Clean the intake manifold. Look how spotless. Also pulled out these little pins. I don't know if you can see, they're really tiny.
And we got our adapter plate. Shout out to Spoon.
Thank you, Spoon. Just cleaning up the surfaces. Okay, Jordy said generous amount, so I slapped it on there. Not shown putting it on, but just gonna snug everything and then make it tight. 1.8 on the 1.6. That's crazy. Got my jacket on. Quick promo, not sponsored. I am tightening the throttle body. We snugged it on. Now we're gonna make it
Let
tight.
it sit.
Yeah. I'm not gonna break the bolt this time, so it's kind of hidden. Ooh, okay. You guys see this hose right here? We did a little digging, and we're gonna try and bypass the coolant hose that goes down here to this blue boy one right here.
Gotta grab it like it owes you money.
Stole this off the 1.8. We gotta see if it fits first. So, gonna snug it on this little nipple right here.
Push, 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 push. Alright, what are your thoughts?
I like it. It looks cute.
My thoughts are it's too long.
Oh, you meant length. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to cut it. This is my actual point of view because car's jacked up. Final product of the bypass hose. Look at that. Got the clamp on. Clamp on.
Wires in.
I wonder if they make different colored wires. Like purple or pink. Blue's ugly.
Could always get colored electrical tape and rewrap that purple.
That's not a bad idea.
It's a good idea.
It's a really good idea. Next on our to-do list is making ourselves a little exhaust gasket. Alright, so I was trying to see if they threaded onto the flange and I accidentally dropped into my exhaust. So guess who has to drop the exhaust now to get that out? Because I'm not dealing with that rattling. Following up on the bolt that fell in there, I'm just gonna let it shoot itself out. Worry about it later. To the gasket. Now reading the instructions, number 2, cut nozzle and apply continuous 1/16 to 1/4. Leave silicone to one surface. Alright, so we got Mr. Fix-It here. I don't trust myself doing this, so as you guys can see, I already dropped a nut in the exhaust. So Jordy's gonna make the gasket for us. You guys get the gist of what's going on. I'm just gonna show the finished product.
It's good.
Ruined my shirt. Look at that. Alright, moving on to the next project of this car, mounting the fuse box. Alright, got this baby on. How clean it looks.
Yeah, it's not as messy
No.
here. After the fuse box, put a little wires underneath, ran them through, ran a couple of things through here. Now we're taping up some so we don't see any colors. Kind of reground and plug in.
Alright guys, it's been an hour, so we're tightening this up.
Yeah, sounds crazy.
Try it again. Often it's just like
Shot.
shot.
Just from sitting for so long. At least we got a good one over there. Did it? There's no way. That shit moved so good before.
You want to loosen it?
That's insane.
Is that really what? No, I'm pretty sure you have to move. You have to loosen this one. Start it again. Yeah, that's sensitive. Can you put a little bit of pressure on that?
Like on the back?
Like, yeah, but with the, like, tighten the bolt so it's like...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just gotta
Can you
muscle
put your
it
finger
a
on the eye collar? Yeah.
better with it close.
Yep.
Turn it off!
Alright, lock it down right there.
Sick.
It ran for longer than 5 seconds.
That actually sounded good.
It sounded really good. I'm really excited.
It's a win.
It's a very big win. Alright, that's it for now. Tune in next time for, again, more buttoning up. Get this thing driving. Please like, comment, and subscribe.